So today the ladies of Berman will not be giving you coffee and tea with the ladies of Berman. We're actually going to talk about an issue that has been coming up quite often in our cases and something that we believe is a very serious issue. One being when you speak to the police and when you give information to the police and what kind of information you're giving. LaTanya, help me out with that.
What we're finding is that people, even though we've given many videos regarding your right not to incriminate yourself with the police, however, they still speak to the police and believe that they could evade or outsmart the police.
Mm-hmm.
For example, if a police officer asks you, were you at certain McDonald's? And you say, no, I was not at McDonald's. I was actually at Wendy's, which is around the corner. And then for some reason, they believe that the investigation is now over and the case ceased. Well, the police go to Wendy's, look at the videotape, and find out you were not there. So now you have just not only incriminated yourself by not putting yourself at Wendy's as you stated, but your credibility is lost. So you hurt yourself even when you're trying to evade the police. The best thing to do is to say, my name is LaTanya Burton. I would like to invoke my Miranda rights and ask for an attorney to be present.
Now, LaTanya, it's funny you say Miranda rights. People will call us and they will say, the cop didn't read me my Miranda rights. Again, when is it that the police have to read you your Miranda rights?
Okay, so the whole purpose of Miranda is so that you will not violate your constitutional right against self-incrimination. However, you only incriminate yourself if you're about to make a statement or bring some type of evidence in a case against you. So if they're just arresting you and not asking you questions, not asking you where you were, anything like that, they do not have to read you Miranda at that point. That's television that you're watching and assuming is real life. When they have to read you your Miranda rights is if the detective, while sitting in some room that is a custodial situation like the police station, or even if they're at your house and it's all police gathered around you and your handcuffs are somewhere where you do not feel free to leave, and then they start asking you questions about a case, even if they ask you things like where do you live and things of that nature, because if that's part of the evidence, the address, that could incriminate you. They need to read you your Miranda rights. Please say, thank you for reading those rights. I do not want to sign anything. I wish to have an attorney. Even if you cannot afford an attorney, the state has to provide one for you. They may not provide it at that point. It may come later on, but do not give any statements to the police. Even if you're trying to explain yourself away, do not do it. It hurts you in the end.
So we did this video again because this is an important issue. We are not by no means trying to tell you how to evade the law, but what we are trying to do is educate you in a serious manner to let you know that you cannot outsmart the police. No matter how much you think you can, you are not. You give them your name and ask for a lawyer. So this is not coffee and tea with the ladies of Berman today because I think it's a little more serious than that. This is real life information. Remember it.
And remember, if you do need an attorney, you can reach out to the ladies of Berman. Our phone number is 224-637-8872, or you can call whatever lawyer you're choosing. We just ask that you take this very seriously and invoke your rights and protect your rights and have an attorney present. But here at Berman, we fight for you.